Anticore, where we count apples, not cores.
In multiplication level 5, we are going to multiply a 3-digit number by a 3-digit number. Here we have 756 times 987. This is similar to what we did in level 4, where we multiplied a 2-digit number by a 2-digit number, but here we're going to break this down into 3 separate multiplication problems and then add the answers together to get the final answer. The 3 separate problems we are going to multiply are the numbers in the ones, tens, and hundreds columns. So for 756 times 987, we calculate the answer of 756 times 7, then calculate the answer of 756 times 80, and then 756 times 900, and then add the 3 answers together. We have 3 sets of multiplication carry locations, ones for the ones multiplication, ones for the tens multiplication, and one for the hundreds multiplication. Let's start with multiplying 756 times 7. We'll start by multiplying the numbers in the ones column. 6 times 7 equals 42. We put the 2 from the 42 in the ones answer location here, and the 4 of the 42 up here in the ones carry location. Now we multiply the 5 times 7. 5 times 7 equals 35, and we need to add the 4 in the ones carry location to this. 35 plus 4 equals 39. We put the 9 of the 39 in the tens answer location and the 3 in the carry location up here. Now we can multiply the 7 times 7. 7 times 7 equals 49. We need to add the 3 we had to the carry location to the 49. 49 plus 3 equals 52. We'll put the 2 of the 52 in the hundreds answer location and the 5 of the 52 in the thousands answer location. Now we can multiply 756 times 80. We are multiplying by 80, not 8, since the 8 is in the tens column. To do this, put a 0 in the ones answer location here before you start multiplying. Then multiply the 6 times 8 first. 6 times 8 equals 48. Put the 8 of the 48 here in the tens answer location and the 4 up here in the carry location. Now multiply the 5 times 8. 5 times 8 equals 40. But we need to add the 4 in the carry location here to the 40. 40 plus 4 equals 44. We can put the 4 of the 44 in the hundreds answer location and the other 4 in the carry location here. Now multiply the 7 times 8. 7 times 8 equals 56, but we need to add the 4 in the carry location here to the 56. 56 plus 4 equals 60. The 0 of the 60 goes in the thousands answer location, and the 6 of the 60 goes in the tens thousands answer location. Finally, we can multiply 756 times 900. We are multiplying by 900, not 9, since the 9 is in the hundreds column. To do this, put a 0 in the ones answer location here and another 0 in the tens answer location before you start multiplying. Then multiply the 6 times 9 first. 6 times 9 equals 54. Put the 4 of the 54 here in the hundreds answer location and the 5 of the 54 up here in the carry location. Now multiply 5 times 9. 5 times 9 equals 45, but we need to add the 5 in the carry location here to the 45. 45 plus 5 equals 50. We put the 0 of the 50 in the thousands answer location and the 5 of the 50 in the carry location here. Now multiply the 7 times 9. 7 times 9 equals 63. but we need to add the 5 in the carry location here to the 63. 63 plus 5 equals 68. The 8 of the 68 goes in the tens thousands answer location, and the 6 of the 68 goes in the hundred thousands location. Now we can add the 3 answers together using the carry locations if we need them. After adding the 3 answers, the separate multiplication problems together, we get the actual answer. So 756 times 987 equals 746,172. Now on the app. The problem in multiplication level 5 is large enough that depending on your screen, you may have to scroll up and down to work with it like this. The app shows the 2 numbers we are multiplying and has rows to enter the answers of the ones, tens, and hundreds multiplication. It also has areas to enter the final answer down here and has carry locations for the addition and the ones, tens, and hundreds multiplication. Here we have 696 times 798. We'll break this down into 3 separate multiplication problems. 696 times 8, 696 times 90, and 696 times 700, and then add them together. Let's begin with 696 times 8 and start by multiplying the numbers in the ones column first. 6 times 8 equals 48. We want to put the 8 of the 48 in the ones column of the ones multiplication row. Touch the question mark in the ones column and the keyboard will pop up. If your screen is small enough that the keyboard blocks your answers, you can scroll the problem up like this. Now touch the 8 on the keyboard to put an 8 in the ones column. Then touch the question mark in the ones multiplication carry location and the 4 on the keyboard to put the 4 of the 48 there. Now multiply 9 times 8. 9 times 8 equals 72, and we need to add the 4 in the ones carry location to this. 72 plus 4 equals 76. Touch the question mark in the tens answer location here and the 6 on the keyboard to put the 6 of the 76 in the tens answer location. Now touch the question mark in the ones carry location and then the 7 on the keyboard to put a 7 in the carry location. Now we can multiply the 6 times 8. 6 times 8 equals 48, and we need to add the 7 in the carry location to the 48. 48 plus 7 equals 55. Touch the question mark in the hundreds answer location and the 5 on the keyboard to put a 5 in the hundreds answer location, and then the question mark in the thousands answer location and the 5 on the keyboard to put another 5 in the thousands answer location. Now we can multiply 696 times 90. Remember, since we are multiplying by 90, not 9, that we need to put a 0 in the ones answer location here before you start multiplying. Touch the question mark in the ones answer location here and the 0 on the keyboard to do that. Now we can multiply the 6 times 9. 6 times 9 equals 54. We want to put the 4 of the 54 in the tens column of the tens multiplication row. Touch the question mark in the tens answer location and then the 4 on the keyboard to put a 4 there. Then touch the question mark in the tens multiplication carry location and the 5 on the keyboard to put the 5 of the 54 there. Now multiply 9 times 9. 9 times 9 equals 81, and we need to add the 5 in the tens carry location to this. 81 plus 5 equals 86. Touch the question mark in the hundreds answer location here and the 6 on the keyboard to put a 6 of the 86 in the hundreds answer location. Now touch the question mark in the tens carry location and then the 8 on the keyboard to put an 8 in the carry location. Now multiply 6 times 9. 6 times 9 equals 54, and we need to add the 8 in the tens carry location to this. 54 plus 8 equals 62. Touch the question mark in the thousands answer location here and the 2 on the keyboard to put the 2 of the 62 in the thousands answer location. Now touch the question mark in the 10,000s answer location and the 6 on the keyboard to put a 6 in the 10,000s location. Now we can multiply 696 times 700. Remember, since we are multiplying by 700, not 7, we need to put a 0 in the ones answer location and another 0 in the tens answer location before you start multiplying. Touch the question mark in the ones answer location here and the 0 on the keyboard to do that. Then touch the question mark in the tens answer location and the 0 on the keyboard to put another 0 there. Now we can multiply the 6 times 7. 6 times 7 equals 42, and we want to put the 2 of the 42 in the hundreds column of the hundreds multiplication row. Touch the question mark in the hundreds answer location and then the 2 on the keyboard to put a 2 there. Then touch the question mark in the hundreds multiplication carry location and the 4 on the keyboard to put a 4 of the 42 there. Now multiply 9 times 7. 9 times 7 equals 63, and we need to add the 4 in the hundreds carry location to this. 63 plus 4 equals 67. Touch the question mark in the thousands answer location and the 7 on the keyboard to put the 7 of the 67 in the thousands answer location. Now touch the question mark in the hundreds carry location and the 6 on the keyboard to put a 6 in the carry location. Now multiply 6 times 7. 6 times 7 equals 42, and we need to add the 6 in the hundreds carry location to this. 42 plus 6 equals 48. Touch the question mark in the thousands answer location here and the 8 on the keyboard to put an 8 of the 48 in the 10,000s answer location here, and then touch the question mark in the 100,000s answer location and the 4 on the keyboard to put a 4 in the 100,000s answer location. Now we can add the 3 answers together using the carry locations if we need them. After adding the 3 answers of the separate multiplication problems together, we get the actual answer. So 696 times 798 equals 555,408. Touch the Enter key on the keyboard and the keyboard will disappear. And when you're ready, touch the Check key. The app will let you know if you got the answer right, and if not, give you the correct answer. Not only will it provide the correct answer, but in levels 4 and 5, the app also shows you where your mistakes were made. In this case, notice how the answer in the ones multiplication row was incorrect and how it affected the addition in the final answer down here. Touch the Next key for the next problem, and when you think you're ready, touch the Quiz key to take the quiz and see if you're ready for division.